Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you will need blue, purple, pink, clear, and black pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a long piece of string. And this is going to be the pattern. So if you want to stop this and get your pattern on, once you have that, we'll tie these together. And I do want to mention that this is going to be an upper arm cuff, so if you have small arms, I would remove one of the colors from the pattern, or two if you want a smaller cuff. We're going to put our needle on. I think I'm going to move this. Okay, we're going to go through this clear. You're going to add 3 pink, and we'll go through the clear. We're going to add 3 purple, go through the clear. Okay, so we're going to add 3, and then we're always going through the clear for each color. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, the last beads are black. So to start the next row, we have to go through this clear and these 2 pink. So every time you come around and start a new row, you're going to have to go through the middle and 2 of the row that you are currently working on. And this is what it looks like. So we're ready to start the next row. And the pattern for this is going to be pink, clear, and purple. And then we're going to go through this middle purple. So you just look over here and see what 3 beads are. So the next are purple, clear, and blue, and then you're going to go through the middle. Okay, so you're going to continue that all the way around, and then I'll show you how to start the next row. Okay guys, I'm at the end here, and I added my last beads, which were black, clear, and pink. Now to start the next row, we have to go through that middle bead, and then these 2 of the row that we were just on. So every time you come around to start the next row, you're going to have to go through 3 beads instead of 1 like we normally do. So now we're back to, you need to add 3 of the same color, go through the clear. So there's only 2 patterns. This one where we add 3 colors and go through the clear, and then this pattern that we just did, which was each color and then there's a clear in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat this a few times, and then I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay guys, I ended up adding 3 additional rows. So to know if you have the right amount, you're going to have 2 X's right here in the middle. Can you see those? Of each color. And then this row has 3. So you have a row of 3 X's and 2 X's. What we need to do is take our needle and get to the center bead. And our pattern for the middle will be 2 clear, a pink, and 2 clear. So you're adding 5 beads on. So we're going to do that for every color. So the next one's purple, so 2 clear, purple, 2 clear, go through the middle here. And then we're going to do blue, black, and then repeat. So go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added my last beads. This time we're going to go through the middle like we have been, and then we're also going to go through these 3 beads. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. For this row here, you're going to add 2 pink, a clear, and a purple. So the next one's going to be 2 purple, clear, and blue. And you'll go through the middle bead. So we're just following the pattern here. So you know the next color is going to be 2 blue, the middle is clear, and then the next color is black. And then go through the middle bead. 2 black, clear, and pink. Go through the middle. And then we're going to repeat the same thing right here 2 more times. So go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here, and I have the last of my beads on here. So this next step, we're going to go through the middle like we have been, and then we're going to go through these 3, 2 pink and the clear. And this is what it looks like so far. Okay, for this part, we're going to add 5 purple, and we're going to go through this middle bead. We're going to add 5 more purple, and then we're going to go through this bead. The next color, blue, so we'll add 5 blue. And we're going to go through the middle over here. We're going to add 5 blue. And then go through this middle bead. So you're going to do that with every color. So the next color is black. And we're zigzagging. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added my last beads. So we're going to go through this middle bead like we have been. And also, if you run out of string, go ahead and just tie some on. That's what I had to do. And then we're going to flip this over, and we need to do the same exact thing that we did over here, but instead of going this direction, we're going to go this way, if that makes sense. So we're going to add 5 purple, we're going to go through this middle here. You're going to add 5 purple, and we're going to go through the middle. So we're doing the exact same thing we just did over here. So the next color is going to be blue. We're going to go through this middle and then weave back up here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added my last 5 beads. So we're going to go through that middle bead up there. And I'm going to go through this purple. It'll just be easier for me to tie it right there. Okay, this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.